How to fix Instagram comments not showing problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram comments not showing problem on your phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the step 1, that is to check your internet connection. So you need to make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data or mobile data. A weak connection can sometimes cause issues with loading comments. So if that's not the problem, let's move to the next fix. So the step 2 is to update Instagram app. So to do that, simply open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram right there. And find Instagram in the search result, and if the update is available, simply tap on update and make sure that you are running the latest version of the app. Once the update is complete, simply open the app and check if the comments are showing. But if it isn't, simply let's head to the next fix. So the third step is to clear the cache. So simply long press on the app, and from the pop-up menu simply tap on the app info, and after that you will be prompted to the app settings. From here simply tap on clear data option shown in the bottom right corner of the screen, and from the pop-up menu simply tap on clear cache, and this will remove all the bugs that have been residing in your Instagram app. So it can help you solve your problem. But if this doesn't solve your problem, let's head to the next fix, that is to restart your phone. So to do that, simply long press on the power button and a menus with different options will pop up. From there, you simply have to reboot and your phone will restart. And once the phone has restarted, simply open the Instagram app and check if the problem has been resolved. And if this doesn't work, let's head to the final fix. So the step 5 is to contact Instagram support. So to do that, simply open the Instagram app, and from there simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom. And from here simply tap on the 3 dash icon in the top right corner, and from there simply scroll down to the bottom and tap on the option labeled as help. And here simply tap on report a problem and click it again. And from there simply select include and continue and type a message about your issue, and once you have done that, simply tap on send button and Instagram support team will get back to you, and that's it. That's how you can fix Instagram comments not showing problem. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.